Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll start by turning Lossless on for the device you use most. Open Settings, tap Music, then Audio Quality, enable Lossless and choose Standard or High Resolution for Wi-Fi and Cellular. Make sure your account is the one with the subscription active so options appear. Once done, pick the highest quality you want for downloads versus streaming. This sets the source quality for playback and downloads, so everything that follows uses the correct audio format. Next, you decide how you'll play the files and which tracks to store. If you want true lossless, use a wired USB DAC or an AirPlay device that supports lossless. Bluetooth aptX/standard AAC may not preserve full lossless. Then, in audio quality, set downloads to the high-resolution ALAC level you want. Finally, download albums or playlists. Downloaded files keep the chosen ALAC format, so you can listen offline at the quality you selected. To finish, confirm you're actually hearing lossless. While a track plays, open Now Playing and look for lossless or high-res labels. That tells you the stream or file matches your settings. If the label is missing or audio sounds degraded, make sure you're routed to a compatible output and re-download the track to force the correct file. If problems persist, restart your device and update firmware on your DAC or AirPlay receiver. That resolves most handshake and compatibility issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.